Why did I take these trades? As you can see, guys, I'm running at 800 or close to 900 profits. As you can see, I'm in nice profit. Why did I take these trades right here, guys? As you can see, looking back here, you can see an area here. Our demand is just right here, guys. This is our demand, very nice demand ever. So I've marked my demand, extended the zone up somewhere there, guys. And then, as you can see, when I get to my demand, firstly, let me show you with an arrow, guys. Firstly, I came to the demand right here, but I didn't take any trade. So it was just one touch and then it goes. So I was like, no, let me just wait for something else. Then I've seen a divergence was formed here at our demand. There was a divergence here. Let me just pull up our awesome oscillator, guys. As you can see here, guys, the market is making lower lows. As you can see, guys, if I'm just to draw it like that, the market is making lower low and it's making the opposite move here on an awesome oscillator, which is divergence, and I get my reason to buy there. Now I'm running to close to 1000 profit, guys, and this is US Tech or Nasdaq, guys, and I'm running in very nice profit, just like this, guys. As you can see, it's very awesome, guys. So I took the trade with very confidence because I know what I was doing at that time. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you like this video in appreciation.